someone wrote in and said, how do I get a question answered? So this is a video on how to get your question answered in a video.
Bribery. Bribe us. Incentivize us. Bailey's and coffee. That's a good thing. Kathy's partial to avocados. Chocolate. But not chocolate avocados. Although that might be really good.
You try it first. This is Reed Mahaka from readaboutsex.com.
Kathy Vartuli from the intimacydojo.com.
And we love your questions. You're always welcome to leave them in the comments. We check them before we shoot videos to see which one you would pull from those. And you're also, some people have asked about anonymous questions where they don't want to post them publicly. You can either message us through YouTube or you can email us. I'm Kathy at theintimacydojo.com.
And Kathy with a C, and then Reed, R-E-I-D, at readaboutsex.com.
So feel free to email us both or individually and ask your questions, and you might find your video here. I also recommend that you subscribe to this channel because we don't always track it back to the original question, but your video will appear, your question most likely will appear answered.
At some point. We try to get to everything, and we miss things occasionally.
Yeah, so email us again if you want.
Yep. And always do a little search for if we've already answered or similarly answered your concern, because at this point there's a gazillion, it's an exaggeration, but there's a lot of videos.
Right, but we don't mind your questions. We love them, so please bring them on.
Keep writing. Leave a question in the comments right now.
That's very meta.
Boom.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to my social media, it's right there. And please subscribe to this channel there. If you'd like to see more goofy Reed and Kathy, there's more videos there.
See them. Why are they there?